Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Waymaker Daily. On this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the management menu. On the previous tutorials, we have seen the collection, personal reports. So now we're going to look at the management menu. The management menu has 5 principal buttons, 2 of which are log out and quit, same as we have here. So we're going to focus on 3: active users, change password, and set standby time. So active users, this shows you or gives you a rundown of all those who are logged into the system at this particular moment in time. Now the system is developed in such a way that once you are logged in with a particular privilege on a particular computer, you cannot again log in another computer using that particular privilege. Hence, you'll be prompted or told that this account is already logged in, so you'll be asked to be logged out first before you can log in again. We're going to demonstrate a simple scenario on how this can happen. So as per now, you see we have just one user, which is me, of course, logged in. Right now this system is not shared in the network, but at the installation phase in the various credit unions, it is always shared in the network, such that each user or each daily collector can log in and work, while obviously other people are working as well. Many collectors can work simultaneously. So most often, the system does not permit you to shut down without you quitting or logging out. But due to power failure, if it happens that there is power failure when you do not log out, the system still continues reading you as if you are logged in. So let's just first shut down this system using the task manager. Okay, so we're going to force it. So we have shut down without actually logging out, considering that it is a power failure. So we're just simply going to log in again using 005. We're going to see it's going to say user already logged in on this PC. So it reads the PC name and the MAC ID of that PC. So right now we're supposed to log in as a different user. So let's use 001 and we'll go to management and active users. So right now you see 001 is active and 005 is active, but 005 is not active. 005 is simply blocked in the system. So right now we're going to disconnect 005 by clicking on the disconnect button. We log out from here, and now we can log in with 005 or privilege. So at any point in time, if you find that you are logged in the system, you just simply call any other person to log you out. So we're in the management menu and we're in the active user. So right now just one user is active. Okay, now change password is straightforward. To change the password, you simply have to input the old password, type the new password, and you re-enter the new password. And once you're done, you click on OK. The system does not really have so much sophisticated privacy as per se. However, each activity that's being carried out is being linked to a particular user. So it's important still for you to have your unique password, which is known by you alone. Set standby time. The standby time here is the time which the system remains idle. So maximum is 5 and minimum is 2. The idle time means if you stay for 5 minutes without doing anything, the system locks you out. So you have the option of setting your own time. So you can put 3 and you update. So if you put anything above that, it's going to tell you the maximum is, or is between the interval of 2 and 5 minutes. So let's allow it at 5 minutes. 5 minutes is optimal for me. Okay, so that is it on the management menu. Active users, change password, set standby time. Like we earlier said, this is just the logout and the quit. Same here. The logout takes you to the background page, while the quit simply closes the whole application. If you found this video helpful, please kindly hit the subscription button and also the notification button so that you will not miss any of our tutorials. And each time we do an update into the system, you will be notified and given instructions on how to go about updating your own system.